Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Redzone to YouTube TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is come on over to tv.youtube.com and sign into your account. Then from there, we need to go to your membership settings. Now to do this, click on your user profile and then click into settings, the gear cog there. So now on this page, make sure we're on the membership tab. To the right here, we've got memberships. And now this is where we go ahead and add these memberships. So the one we want to go ahead and add is the NFL Sunday ticket. So this requires YouTube TV base plan. Watch every out of market Sunday game for the season with option to add NFL Redzone. So basically go ahead and click on to add. There might be a discount depending when you're logged on. So I've got a huge discount here, which is quite cool.